Hello together, Martin here. Need a shelf with included mitre saw? Then you're right here. First we're gonna build a shelf. A little bit long for a ride as you expected. Then with the board that will strip the strip and we'll add it here. And the further one here. You guessed it, they will need anything to fasten it here. When you need the fence. Fasten it with a screw, so it can be mitered also. Here we need a strip to fasten it, like so. Circular saw will go here. We'll get the line. With a handle. Guess it was coming now, eh? So what's the next? Of course the strips will go here. Didn't tell that. The second line will go in the back side here. What for? It doesn't go down all the time. It has you have some strips only to cut, so you can let it at this side. Needless to say, we can do cross-cutting boards in this manner. Same through vertically, as the fence can be put down here. No, that was the wrong one. Green is for the fence. The saw has a minimum height, so if we have to obey, we have to keep track of. Yes, so that the bigger part can be cut like so. You see? Okay, can't be higher than this here. The saw can be taken out on top. But they cannot so. What is it? The height of the entire thing will define how long you can cut. Further tip: the device with the two boards can be higher than the shelf. That enables you to cutting boards like so. Question is, what is better, the conventional mitre saw or the one I've constructed here? Please write it in the comments with the reasoning why you will find the one better. That's the first pulling saw at YouTube as far as I know, but if you know further, please let a link here. I'm looking forward to your comments. Also, please like the video and subscribe my channel. That is for free. And thanks for watching, and until next time, bye. got a cheat sheet here.